Thought I'd do a quick rig walk around, really. Just show you what sort of stuff that I do bring out with me. I'm only on a day trip today, so I haven't got masses. I don't need lots and lots of stuff if I'm not going to be doing an overnight. So I thought I'd come up and show you what it is that I've got. Well, guys, you've all seen the truck before, but some of you may not know what it is. It's a Mitsubishi Shogun Sport. It's a 2.5 turbo diesel. Engine's basically like a tractor, really. It's really good. As long as you keep on top of things, then it will serve you well. You know, do an oil change every 4,500 miles, all the normal servicing. Shogun Sport, like I said, that's a really important badge to me. It's my overland bound membership, and as you can see, it does carry a first aid kit. But let's show you what my day kit consists of. In there, I've got my my camping seat, really comfy seat. Spend a fair bit of money on one of those, but it's really nice. You'll see that in future videos. The all important kettle, gas burner, big first aid kit. I've got as much stuff in there as you could possibly dream of. In the side pocket here, I've got another first aid kit. That's mainly got plasters and things like that. That's just a basic kit. Obviously, I've always got guy rope. It's got a multitude of uses. Another cigarette point there for your 12 volt. Always come out with my camera bag, my charger for the camera, for the batteries. In there is another first aid kit. That's got your triangular bandages and all that sort of stuff in there. This little cubby hole, it's got me important things: water, milk, coffee. I've also got, lean over, in there is a collapsible fire pit, basically. It all collapses down, nice and small. Brilliant little piece of kit. It raises up off the floor, so you're not scorching the floor. You've seen this one already. This is my pots, pans, frying pan. Obviously kitchen roll for when you're cooking and other things when nature calls. But yeah, that's about it, really. In the back here, you can probably see some underfloor bits. I've got all sorts of stuff in there, mainly to do with OS maps. Yeah, mainly to do with OS maps, towing equipment, that kind of stuff. In this one is a few tools just in case I break down, you know, the normal sort of socket set, spanners, screwdrivers, you know, that kind of stuff. That normally comes out of an evening. I don't like to leave anything in the car. Obviously people do know that 4x4s carry kit, but most of us 4x4 drivers take it out of an evening. The roof rack is one from a citreon berlingo. It's been modified to go on this one. Obviously it's attached 60mm exhaust clips. Let's see if I can just get up and show you. All the rungs are there, but this second rung that should go along here has been taken out so that the sunroof will open up and slide back. You'll be able to see just there was where the original mountings for the citreon berlingo are. They get taken off, ground off. This one was quite rusty when I got it. but I've used good old Hammerite, Hammerite Smooth tow bar with twin electric for towing caravans. All-terrain tyres on there. Basically the car is standard apart from the roof rack at the moment. I do want to put on a snorkel which will go just along there and go up. I have got a bull bar to go on the front. I've made all the brackets myself for that. I just need to swap insurance companies first because the company that I've got at the moment won't allow me to fit it. So I will be swapping companies soon to fit that. In the front there, just there, you can see I've got some emergency lights there. I can have blues, but obviously it's illegal for me to use those, so I just leave it on the orange, so if I'm towing anybody, or with the recent snows that we've had, I use them for that, just so that people know that I'm actually doing something. I'm not just trying to get past them because I want to go home. I'm actually running nurses around and that kind of thing. But yeah, that's the truck. Hasn't let me down yet, but like I said, keep it well serviced and she'll be going for a lot of miles. I'll quickly briefly show you the inside the dash. That's the dashboard inside. It's done 97,000 miles now. Child seat, daughter, bless her, she loves coming along with me. Obviously you can see my coat, my big coat and stuff in the back. But yeah, it's going to be going for a wash soon. Not today, it's too cold. But yeah, just a quick, simple rig walk around. And now you know what I'm driving.